99% of people live the same life, and that life has only one rule. I must do whatever cheers me up. They exercise, and if they feel tired, they rest. Yeah, that's not a problem. It's clear that you should rest when you're tired. But tell me, is it impressive to work when you've got the energy? Everyone does that. The one who pushes harder when tired is the champion. So today's plan is learning how to overcome temptations and become a hero. You've got your own temptations that might be especially for yourself. Write them down. Then write your goal. For example, I want to become a YouTuber. Then write what does your goal cost. Mine costs time and energy. Write what each temptation gets from you. In my case, sleeping more than 7 hours costs me time. Being addicted to pornography costs me energy and time. Playing video games costs me time. Eating sweets costs me my health. So, according to this goal, I sleep 7 hours a day and I quitted pornography and video games. The eating sweet things has no impact on this goal, so I can have it. But actually I crossed it out on another goal sheet related to my body shape. It might be hard to quit those things, but that's easier than you think. Let me explain. An important principle for quitting addictions is to have a goal. Having a goal keeps you away from those. And also quitting bad habits helps you reach your goal faster. See, that's an amazing cycle. It's important to choose a goal you're really into it, otherwise the cycle will be broken. Oh honey, I see some damn thoughts in your mind. Don't think you can play games lesser than usual and not quit it. 10 years later, nobody asks you if you've played Assassin's Creed or not. They ask you about money and skill. If you think it's hard to quit addictions, just stay tuned for a dopamine regulation video on this channel.